Are you a fresher, just graduated, excited to look for a job? You send out resumes, go to interviews, and you have to compete among thousands of fresh graduates. Journey from graduation to employment is not at all easy. In India alone, about 1.5 million students graduate every year. How can you stand out among them and get your dream job? Don't worry, we are here to guide you. Welcome to the official channel of Career Plan, your free personalized career planning tool. In today's video, we are talking about how to get hired as a fresh graduate. We will be sharing strategies and resources for breaking into the job market. From securing internships to building in-demand skills and effective networking, we will cover it all. Let us start by talking about the intense competition in the job market. From our company, we keep posting job openings and internship requirements. Within one day, we receive hundreds of applications. Out of all these resumes, we can hire only one person for that particular job. This shows how many fresh graduates are out there looking for jobs. Many freshers try to get help from their friends and family who are working in the tech industry. Many of those experienced professionals want to help, but often they are unsure how to do so. They might forward resumes to HR, but nothing much happens after that. Most experienced people in corporate roles have no clue on how to help freshers. So how do you break the cycle of needing experience to get hired but requiring a job to gain experience? One great way to gain experience is through internships. Do not ignore internships because they offer you less payment. They provide experience and help you build your network. Startups usually hire more interns. If you stick with them, you might get a full-time job offer later. If the startup becomes successful, you can soon move to a very high-paying role. Startups offer a great learning experience. You get to do high-value work. This can lead to better career opportunities. So where do you find these internships? If you are in India, check out Internshala, Naukri.com and LinkedIn. For those in the USA, platforms like Glassdoor and Handshake are great options. Keep in mind that you have to be fast. Make sure you customize your resume as per the JD. As a fresh graduate, you may need to enhance your skills. Universities can't always keep up with the rapid changes in the job market, so it is up to you to fill those gaps. Focus on high-demand skills like AI, machine learning, automation, and DevOps. Colleges can't teach these skills. Platforms like Udemy offer affordable courses to help you get a job. Coursera has online courses which are more like university-level courses, so you get to add a university name which gives you more credibility. You might be wondering, how can I prove my self-learned skills? If you have work experience in a specific domain and company, it is easy to show your skills. But what about fresh graduates? Online course certificates can help you show your skills to employers. Another powerful tool is GitHub or Bitbucket. Start a project related to an in-demand skill and collaborate with fellow students. Document your work and share it on your resume with a public link. If you run into problems with your project, platforms like Stack Overflow can provide you guidance. This hands-on experience not only develops your skills but also helps you build your resume. Companies like HackerEarth and HackerRank offer coding challenges. These challenges can showcase your abilities to employers. They can help you get better jobs. Next up is building your online presence. Create a LinkedIn account and connect with professionals in your field. Upload a professional photo. Engage in discussions. Share your insights by posting articles or tutorials. Some companies post jobs here but don't rely on them. Connect with people, browse forums, and gain industry insights. This will help you get noticed for the right reasons. Now let us discuss training options. Classroom training tends to be more effective but often comes at a higher cost. Be cautious of promises of 100% placement help or 100% job guarantees, as no one can guarantee a job. But some training institutes have strong connections to companies. Companies trust these institutes to help find students for jobs along with campus interviews. This makes it easier for them to pick students to campus interviews. Consider reaching out to startups. First, check their profile, note down what products or services they are offering. Depending upon that, offer your service to them. Usually, startups don't have enough people to work on innovations. They might have great ideas. If you ask for small, low priority projects, there is a chance to get an internship. These days, with tools like MS Skype, Google Hangouts, and TeamViewer, you can ask to work from home. You can find list of startups on government websites, then visit their sites to apply or even call them. Offering to work for free for a short time can help you gain formal experience. In conclusion, there are many strategies to help you secure a job after graduation. It is up to you to take the charge and make the most out of these opportunities. Stay proactive and persistent, and you will be well on your way to starting your career. That's it for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.